Hey, it's Stick from the Carpet Guys. I'm sitting here with our CEO. His name is Joe Zago.
Chief Excitement Officer.
Excitement. And these are the most frequently Googled questions about carpet, and I figure since you're the carpet guy, you may know the answers to
I
these,
might.
right?
Maybe not. We'll
All
see.
right, first question, Joe Zago. Is carpet a conductor or an insulator?
Oh, geez. Well, that could be quite shocking if I shuffle across the floor with my socks on and I touch my friend. Then it could be shocking. But I would say it's more of an insulator because it keeps my feet warm.
Yeah, and you can use it as a blanket.
It could. Yeah.
I've done that before. All right, your next question. Is carpet flammable?
I guess anything's flammable if you get it hot enough. For the most part, it's a little harder to catch on fire than a lot of other objects in your house. But I guess, yeah, if your house is burning down, your carpet would probably melt along
Gonna
with
go with it.
Yeah.
All right, your third question. Is carpet masculine or feminine?
Well, these days we don't answer that question. We try not to ask.
That's up to you to decide.
Yes.
Your fourth question. Is carpet a compound word?
Oh, I'm going to let you answer that one.
I actually looked up the definition just because I knew this is kind of a weird one. It says some words sound like compound words and are not, like carpet, because the two words car and pet are carpet, but it's not the pet of the car. So technically it is because it's two words, but by definition it's not.
I don't think I would have answered that one right.
See, you learned something new today.
Thank you.
Is carpet bad for allergies?
You know, at one point I think there was some concern about it, but I think over the years the manufacturers have made some really, really great strides to eliminate a lot of the VOCs that were coming out of carpet. So people that have very, very sensitive allergies, nowadays it's not as much of a concern as it was 15, 20 years ago.
But it is always important to use the right vacuum too.
Yes.
So make sure you're using the right vacuum because it may apply to your warranty.
Yeah, the Carpet and Rug Institute has an article, cri.org, for anybody who, or carpet-rug.org
Okay.
as their website, and they've got a list of 812, I think, so different vacuums that are approved. But you'll be surprised that the manufacturers will actually void people's warranty if they're using a cleaner that's not on that list. And the most common store-bought vacuums, a lot of those are not on that list, so it's something you definitely want to look at.
So make sure you go to the site and check out if you got the right vacuum. And the next question, is padding recyclable?
Yeah, we recycle padding here all the time at Carpet Guys. If you have extra pad, bring it to our warehouse. We'll recycle it for you.
It's actually one of my favorite things to see in the warehouse. They just put it in this big machine and
The
then it all
monster
crushes
crushing
down.
Yeah, we
So,
recycle
yes.
padding, yes. A lot of places don't. They put it in the landfill, which it's kind of counterproductive. But
And your last question, is carpet making a comeback?
don't call it a comeback. It's been here for years. Carpet's been here forever, man. Fuzzy side up, especially here in Michigan. It keeps your feet warm.
How about shag carpeting?
On a shag, but yeah, shag carpet. I mean, the longer, stringier frisés are very popular again. We're seeing a lot of the stuff from 20, 30 years ago that you grew
Right.
up with that then became out of style or now stylish again. So yeah.
So there you go. Those are the most frequently Googled questions about carpet with the CEO of The Carpet Guys, Joe Zago. Hopefully we answered some questions, and if you have more, comment them below, and we'll make another video for you.
Be wise. Call the Carpet Guys at 855-4MA-GUYS.
Even in Britain.
Visit carpetguys.com today.
Hey, it's Stick from the Carpet Guys. If you liked that video, we have a ton more for you. Make sure you subscribe. We'd love you for it.